Let me tell you about a trailer that has more charm than my neighbor Gary's karaoke nights. And trust me, that man sings Bon Jovi with enough passion to break windows. We're diving into a shiny relic from the golden age of American road tripping, the 1953 Spartan Royal Spartanette 35-foot travel trailer. And yes, it's got enough polished aluminum to blind your ex from space. Picture this. A 35-foot, 10.6-meter, polished aluminum beast gleaming like a disco ball in the woods of Vermont, where it apparently spent most of its life until the current owner dragged it to Massachusetts. He's been fixing it up for his dad, probably as payback for childhood chores. This double-axle trailer rides on freshly replaced wheels and tires, with a reinforced hitch, thanks to rust, not CrossFit, and sports body panels that have been buffed so much, I believe you could use them to shave. It's got 4 screened pop-up vents, 3 roof vents, and 2 side doors, because apparently, back in the 1950s, trailers came with more doors than my last apartment. Inside, oh, it's cozy in that vintage James Dean meets roadside diner way. Red marmoleum floors, birch wood paneling, and a layout that screams, "Let's stay inside, baby, the 50s were wild." The kitchenette has wood cabinets, a sink, and a 4-burner stove that may or may not function. It's been cosmetically refreshed, which in trailer terms means looks pretty, cooks maybe. You'll also find a standing shower, a sink, and a newer electric cassette toilet in the bathroom. A Bosch water heater was installed, so you won't be freezing your parts off trying to wash up. And yes, there are full-size and twin mattresses, because everyone deserves a nap, including that one guy who always brings his guitar to the campfire. There are a few flaws, some window cracks and corroded trim, but honestly, I've dated worse. Currently offered in Massachusetts with vintage literature and Vermont registration, this trailer is for someone who appreciates the classic lines of mid-century design and maybe also likes to pretend they're in a Lana Del Rey music video. I think what I like the most is how this Spartanette walks the line between nostalgia and functionality. It's not a rolling tech lab, it's a love letter to simpler times. And with values for polished Spartanettes rising, you're probably looking at a price tag of $40,000 to $55,000 USD.